Nursing NCLEX RN Video Introduction. Hi everyone. Since many of you answered my community post poll, I've decided to create my NCLEX videos that I've worked on for many months. I've spent time throughout the past year and a half creating content that I think will be valuable for nurses writing their NCLEX RN exam. The focus is to provide a review of major concepts that I believe to be high yield on the NCLEX exam. In other words, you must know this information for you to successfully pass the NCLEX RN exam. A new NCLEX video is going to be posted every week, so be sure to subscribe down below. I also am actively working on these videos every day, and if you want immediate access to all of the videos I've created, you can support me by becoming a YouTube member of my channel. Otherwise, you will have to wait each week for the videos to be released. The exam requires you to have foundational nursing knowledge and know terminology in various sections. Therefore, I've simplified all the sections on information that is critical for you to know and understand. This means that it's not going to go over absolutely all the information needed to know. Instead, it's going to be focused on the most important information that you must know. In return for doing all this, all I ask is for you to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, as I use this metric to gauge whether I should make more videos like this or not. As mentioned, this is going to review major and high yield topics for the NCLEX RN exam. If you are looking for comprehensive and detailed nursing knowledge for the NCLEX, I recommend reading the Saunders textbook, as it goes over all the details for every nursing section. However, in my opinion, it is way too detailed for the exam. I recommend this textbook to review foundational nursing knowledge and to refresh your memory of everything you learned in nursing school. The link for the textbook will be in the description box down below, so check that out. I highly recommend you watch all my videos, as these are topics that the NCLEX loves to test you on. The NCLEX is a tricky exam, and while some may argue that detail is important, I argue that it's not. The reason for this is that the NCLEX focuses on being able to test your critical thinking skills. This means you won't pass this exam if you simply remember things. You have to be able to use your foundational nursing knowledge that you've learned throughout nursing school and to apply it in various scenarios. As a result, the most important factor in passing the NCLEX exam is comprehension. Each sentence in the question is giving you information that you need to think about. If you do not understand the question, then it's going to be immensely difficult for you to be able to choose the correct answer. So when you do questions on practice tests and exam, always remember that you want to be thinking about each sentence and seeing what that is telling you. I keep mentioning foundational nursing knowledge, and I wanted to clarify what I mean by that. There are certain terms and concepts that you just simply must know. For instance, you must have a general idea of what certain terms mean, like myocardial infarction, congestive heart failure, tachycardia, etc. If you need to review basic information, then I recommend buying that textbook and reviewing it once, and then watching these videos to get a good sense of what is needed to know for the exam. I also want to mention in my video series, I'll be talking relatively slow in order for you to be able to understand the material easier. If it is too slow for you, remember that you can always speed up my voice using the bottom right of this video. Do not hesitate to do that so you can learn at a speed that works best for you. Lastly, I'm open to hearing feedback, so if you would like changes or improvements to be made, leave a comment down below and I'll read all of them. So with all this being said, let's get started by reviewing the fundamentals of nursing NCLEX RN. Hey guys, just thought I would show you how to get to my website. All you got to do is go to Google and search Simple Fit Nurse, or you can go to your web browser and search www.simplefitnurse.com. In my website, I have free ebooks that I've created. I have a free fitness guide. I have a free NCLEX guide, and I have a free nutrition guide that I've created, and it's all free. You can click on the appropriate tabs at the top of my website and you get access to them. I do post blog posts every single week with my videos, and they're helpful if you want to take a look at graphs and diagrams that come along with that. I also have a NCLEX review session where I post all my NCLEX content, so be sure to check those out. Also, if you're interested, check out these videos and be sure to subscribe for more content every single week. Thank you for watching, and thank you for making it till the very, very end. I appreciate it. See you next time.